Platypuses are semi-aquatic mammals native to eastern Australia, including Tasmania. They are known for their unique appearance, with a beaver-like tail, webbed feet, and a duck-like bill. Platypuses are generally brown in color. The fur on their body is usually a dark brown or black color, while their belly is typically a lighter shade of brown. Some platypuses may have lighter fur on their underside or may have patches of white or cream-colored fur on their chest or neck. With up to 300,000 adult individuals remaining in the wild, the platypus is becoming increasingly threatened throughout its natural range. Several captive breeding programs have been established to try and boost platypus population numbers in certain areas. Platypuses do not make very many sounds and are generally quite quiet animals. They do not have vocal cords, so they are unable to produce vocalizations like other animals. They do make some low-level noises, such as grunts or growls, when they are agitated or threatened, but these sounds are generally too quiet to be heard by humans. Platypuses are also known to make a variety of clicks and chirps when they are foraging for food, but these sounds are typically only audible to other platypuses and are not heard by humans. Platypuses do not make very many sounds and are generally quite quiet animals. They do not have Platypuses are generally small animals, with an average body length of about 50 centimeters and a weight of around 1.5 to 2.5 kilogram. The size of a platypus can vary depending on its age, sex, and location. Male platypuses are generally larger than females, with a body length of up to 60 centimeters and a weight of up to 3 kilograms. A healthy, captive-bred pygmy hippopotamus has an average lifespan of around 20 to 25 years. In the wild, their lifespan may be shorter due to predation and other environmental factors. Pygmy hippopotamuses are endangered, with an estimated population of only around 2,000 individuals remaining in the wild. It is important to protect and conserve these animals to ensure their continued survival. Platypuses are generally solitary animals and only come together to breed. Breeding season for platypuses varies depending on location, but it typically occurs in the spring and summer months. Platypuses have a relatively low reproductive rate and do not give birth to large litters. This, combined with habitat destruction and other threats, has led to declining platypus populations in some areas. During breeding season, male platypuses will search for a female and compete with other males for mating rights. Mating typically occurs in the water, and the male will use his venomous spur to defend himself and his territory from other males. After mating, the female platypus will construct a nest out of leaves and grass, where she will lay her eggs. A female platypus will usually lay 1 or 2 eggs, which she will incubate by keeping them warm with her body heat. The eggs will hatch after about 10 days, and the young platypuses, called pugles, will remain in the nest for several more weeks before venturing out on their own. Platypuses are omnivorous animals, which means they eat both plants and animals. They are known to feed on a variety of aquatic insects, worms, and small crustaceans, which they find by using their sensitive bills to search for food in the water. Platypuses also consume plant matter, such as algae and roots. Platypuses are nocturnal animals and spend much of their time foraging for food at night. They are skilled swimmers and divers and use their webbed feet and bill to locate and capture their prey. Once they catch their food, they bring it to the surface and use their bill to mash it up before swallowing. Platypuses do not have teeth, so they rely on their bill and strong muscles in their jaw to grind up their food. In the wild, platypuses may be preyed upon by predatory birds, such as eagles and owls, and by large reptiles, such as crocodiles and alligators. They are also at risk of being caught in fishing nets or being killed by vehicles while crossing roads. In addition, habitat loss and degradation can also pose a threat to the survival of platypuses. They are also skilled swimmers and divers, which allows them to escape from predators in the water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.